Hi guys, welcome to Addota Farm. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the challenges that you can face in raising a cockerel chicken. Challenges that you can face in raising a cockerel chicken. Now I'll be speaking from an experience because I have raised a cockerel chicken before. Particularly, I'm even raising them by this time, so I want to share with you guys some of the challenges that I'm facing in my own cockerel chickens that I'm raising. I'm facing some problems, so I want to discuss with you guys. Now, I bought this cockerel when they were day old, so that is when I bought them. I shoot videos on them. When I bought them, I show one video on how you can raise your cockerel chicken. I show one particular video on this YouTube. You can go back and check that video and see it. So I bought them when they were day old, so I started raising them. So now they have completed 6 months and they are not growing. If you see these particular chickens, they look like 3 weeks chickens. 3-week chickens. So they are not growing, and I didn't know the reason why those chickens are not growing. Is it because I brought them from is it that I brought them from a bad hatchery, or when the place that they hatch these particular chickens, is it that they didn't take care of the chickens very well, or they are not well vaccinated, or the injection that are required to give to them during where they were day old are not complete? I didn't know the reason why. I was thinking maybe that was the reason why these particular chickens are not growing. Like I said, they are not growing. They remain in one position, or is it that I'm not giving them more time to play about, to walk around, or to do some other things that are required for them to do? I didn't know the reason why these particular chickens are not growing. Or can it be that the particular feed I'm giving to them, or that they were feeding, is the feed contaminated, or something happened to the feed? That should be the case, the reason why these birds are not growing. I didn't actually have the information about the reason why these particular chicken are not growing. Apart from that, I bought a broiler 3 weeks ago also. But this particular broiler, they were all growing, but the particular cockerel, those cockerel, they are not growing. I didn't know the reason why these cockerels are not growing. So this should serve as a lesson to all of us that are raising cockerel or broiler also. If we want to start up a broiler or a cockerel chicken farm, one thing that we should put into consideration is to get the right breed of the cockerel. Maybe I got the bad one, or maybe I got the bad one, or I got it from a wrong source. I didn't know the reason why. So if you want to start up a cockerel farming or a broiler farm, and are thinking of starting on, or any type of poultry bed, if you want to start up their farm, first thing is to get the right set of breed of that particular bird that you're going to raise in your farm. Get the right one. If you didn't get the right one and you eventually brought them, then what happened to me will actually happen to you also. Yes, because I bought them and I didn't know the reason why those particular cockerel are not growing. So first thing is to get the right set of breed of the poultry bird that you are raising, is to get the right set. So then secondly is their house. Make sure the house is very wide for them, so that you won't overcrowd them and most of them won't start dying, because if you overcrowd them, there won't be enough space for air to eventually come into the house, and it will start causing some injuries or some things to the particular bird, and you will see that you eventually lost most of the bird. So the solution to my problem now is, maybe I will go and contact some veterinary doctor that will come and actually, maybe they will give them an injection, and we'll see what will happen. But I will keep on updating you about this particular bird, so that we'll know what I'm going to do to the particular bird. So in case if you have similar case like mine, you can contact me and I'll tell you what you can do to your poultry bed also. But like I didn't have the idea now, so like I said, I will contact a veterinary doctor that will come and give them an injection to see if the injection will boost their immune system, and whenever they feed, they are going to grow fast. I didn't actually know, but I will contact him first and I will get back to you guys. And I will also change their feed also. The particular place that I'm buying the feed, I will change that place to another place to see if maybe the feed to see if is the feed that is causing this stunted growth for them. I didn't know, so I'll change the place that I'm buying the feed. Or so I came up with one idea also to see if this one should be the reason also. The merge feed that we feed our chicken always, the merge feed, like I said, is a starter. You know it, right? It's a starter, very small tiny pieces of the maize, and they'll mix some other feed ingredient to it, and they'll make that merge feed, right? Whenever our chickens are consuming this particular feed, sometimes they don't consume all the particular feed inside their feeder that we used to give to them. You will see that they will pick out the big ones, the big pieces of feed on top of the feeder, and they will leave the rest, because if you see their feeder, you see that those chickens are going to leave some particles of that particular feed inside their feeder. Could it be that the rest of the feed that the particular chicken left contain all the nutrients that should be in the rest feed that they pick out of the feed? I didn't know the reason why I didn't know the reason why this stunted growth happens to my chicken. So like I said, if you are feeding your chicken mesh feed, make sure that the chicken consume all the feed inside that particular feeder, to make sure that they consume all the nutrient that is inside that feed. If you see that your chickens are not consuming all the particular mesh feed that you give to them, which is the starter that you give to them inside their feeder, then stop giving them that mesh feed. Make sure that they consume all the particular feed. So this is what I'm going to be doing with my own particular chicken also, to see if it will actually build their immune system to start growing, because now they are not growing, and like I said, they have completed 6 months. A 6-month chicken should be very big. Like in this video, I'll show you the particular chickens. I'll show you my particular chicken, and you're going to see them. They are not growing. Wait, let me show you one of the chickens. How can a 6-month-old chickens look like this? Like I said, my particular chicken, they are not growing. They just develop this stunted growth. This particular chicken have complete 6 months, and look at how small the chicken is. So if you want to buy your chicken, like I said, get it from the right source. Make sure you buy the right breed of chicken. Make sure you buy the right one. I don't know the reason why this particular chicken, they are not growing, that they just develop this sudden stunted growth. This particular chicken have complete 6 months. See, look at how small the chicken is. So like I said, the solution to it right now is to get a veterinary doctor that will particularly give those chicken injection, and we will see what will happen. Like I said, I will keep you guys updated to see if the plan actually works. So please, if you are new in this channel, please kindly subscribe to Addota Farm. We will keep on giving you details, and we'll keep on giving you new videos concerning all the issues that we have, that we are also facing, also all that you guys we are facing, so that we will see how we can provide solution to your problems. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we drop a new videos, and please like this particular video. Don't forget to smash the likes button.